Welcome to my channel Syndicate Academy of English Language and very short good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss write some questions and first of all I am going to call Ashish over here. Ashish will come and Ashish will speak. First of all he will speak his introduction and after that about future plannings, what he wants to do in his life, and after that I will ask you some questions concerned to life and concerned to future, what he will do and he will like to give the answer. So listen very carefully and make a pin drop silence over here. Come on boy. Now first of all you can speak your introduction properly, right? Your hobbies, strong point, weak points, each and everything whatever you want to speak you can speak slow but in flow. धीरे बोलेंगे लेकिन लगातार बोलने की कोशिश करें. Speak.
Good morning, everybody, and good morning, respected sir. My name is Ashish Saxena. I am from Green Park, Bareilly, and I have done my 12th from Kendriya Vidyalaya JRC number 1, and I have done also my BSc from Bareilly College, and currently I am doing MCA from Invertis University. And my hobbies are I like to play cricket and I like reading different kinds of books, and I love watching movies. And if I talk about my strength, then I am very stubborn. If I decide to do something, I make it happen no matter how much it hurts. And if I talk about my weaknesses, so sometimes I am very lazy.
Okay, now tell me why. What's your future plannings? What you want to do in your life?
So I want to be the great businessman in my life. So after 5 to 6 years, I would be see myself as doing a big business.
Okay, where are you learning English language?
Okay, so I am learning English language in Syndicate Academy under the guidance of P. Gangawar sir.
Yes. Why are you learning English language?
I am learning English language to improve my English speaking skills, and as well as I want to improve my personality and communication skills. And you know, English language is an international language, so that's why I want to learn it, and it is also a business language, so that's why I am learning.
Yes. According to you, service is good or business is good?
According to me, neither the service is good nor the business, but it depends on the people who are doing it. So if your personality is like that, you only want to do job, or you can't think more, so yeah, you can do job. But if you want to earn a lot of money, or you want money in your life, so you can go for business, and it depends on your mindset. What kind of mindset do you have?
Yes.
So,
after 5 years, where would you like to see yourself?
So after 5 years, I will see myself as I will be doing business, or I will be doing a digital kind of a business.
Yes.
So,
why are you choosing digital kind of business? It means why do you want to work your business in technical line?
so I will choose digital kind of a business because if you are doing business with the help of internet or social media, the possibilities of reaching to the people is very high, and you can earn a lot of money there. So if you are doing business in a traditional way, so you can't earn a lot of money.
Yeah. How much money are you expecting per month in your life from business or from service?
Being a serviceman, you can only earn like 1 to 2 lakh per month.
Yes.
Or if you are very talented, you can get a package of 1 crore also. But if you are doing business, so if I will be doing business, so I will see myself earning money as much as I think. Like I want completely time freedom. That's
Nowadays, mostly boys and girls, they are time waster. They are not time investor. So
Yes,
what do you think about that? Are you time waster or time investor? Because this is the right time to invest or waste. If you are wasting, you would be standing in the category of failures. If you are investing your time, you would be standing in the category of successful people. So what is your choice? Are you wasting or investing your time?
So nowadays we can see that a lot of people are wasting their time because of social media. But we should not waste our time, because time is a very important thing. It never come back. That's why if we lose, if we don't have money, if we don't have health, but we can get it. But if the time has gone, we cannot get that time again. So
yes, you are right. Very good, boy. Very
Yes, sir.
nicely you have spoken. Please go
Thank
and
you.
sit down. And now, okay, God bless.